Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can position captions in Adobe Premiere Pro exactly where you want them. Here you can see that I have my captions generated on the canvas, and suppose you want to move them into a very specific position, not just a general region. So if you're struggling to move your captions up or you want to place them in an exact position on the screen, then this video is definitely for you. For this, select all the caption files on the timeline. When you select the files, it should open this menu automatically. If it doesn't open automatically, you can open the Properties menu and access it from there. If you are using an older version of Premiere Pro, then you need to find this in the Essential Graphics section. In this menu, go to the Align and Transform section. In here, you can quickly move them to a specific corner of the screen by clicking on these alignment boxes. These basically snap your captions to preset zones on the screen. However, if you want them in a very specific position that doesn't align with those preset zones, then you'll need to adjust the coordinates manually. You'll see two main coordinate values. The first one controls the horizontal position, which moves your captions left or right. For example, if you type in 50, they'll move to the right. If you type in -50, they'll move to the left. In short, if you decrease the value, it will move to the left, and if you increase the value, it will move to the right. The second value controls the vertical position, which moves your captions up or down. This is where a lot of people get confused, including me at first. Many of us may think if we add 100 here, it will go up, but as you can see, nothing happens. Then I tried 200, still nothing. The reason is that when your captions are already positioned at the bottom, you actually need to use negative values to move them up. So instead of typing 100, you need to type -100. If you type -200, they'll move even further up the screen. So essentially, all you need to do is tweak those horizontal and vertical coordinates until you find the perfect position for your captions and subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro. And that's it. That's how you can move captions to exactly where you want them. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.